How do safer sex guidelines impact LGBTQ plus mental well-being? Have you ever wondered how safer sex guidelines can influence mental health, especially within the LGBTQ plus community? Let's break it down. Safer sex guidelines are designed to provide clear information on preventing sexually transmitted infections, including human immunodeficiency virus and other sexually transmitted infections. When LGBTQ plus individuals have access to this information, it can significantly reduce anxiety related to sexual health risks. Feeling informed gives a sense of control and empowerment in sexual relationships. This empowerment can alleviate fears and stress about health outcomes. When people know how to protect themselves and their partners, it leads to healthier sexual behaviors. This is especially important for LGBTQ plus individuals who often face stigma and isolation due to a lack of representation in mainstream sex education. Inclusive sexual health education acknowledges the diversity of gender identities and sexual orientations. This acknowledgment helps LGBTQ plus individuals feel seen and validated, which can boost mental health. On the flip side, when there are no LGBTQ plus inclusive safer sex guidelines, it can worsen minority stress. Minority stress is the chronic stress that comes from stigma and discrimination. This stress is linked to higher rates of depression, anxiety, and suicidal thoughts in LGBTQ plus populations. Engaging with safer sex practices can be challenging when sexual stigma is present. However, inclusive safer sex guidelines can encourage the use of barrier methods, such as condoms and dental dams. They also promote better communication about consent and boundaries. These practices not only reduce physical health risks, but also enhance emotional well-being by fostering trust and respect in sexual encounters. When safer sex education addresses the specific concerns of LGBTQ plus individuals, it counters misinformation. This empowerment helps people make informed decisions, improving self-esteem and reducing feelings of vulnerability. The practical effects of these guidelines are clear. They lead to increased use of protective behaviors and more frequent sexual health screenings. Safer sex guidelines contribute to mental well-being by lowering sexual health-related stress and reducing stigma. They also promote supportive social connections within LGBTQ plus communities. By focusing on both physical safety and psychological resilience, these guidelines play a vital role in enhancing the overall well-being of LGBTQ plus individuals.